Hello, I'm Omar and I'm a programmer. Today I'm going to show you how to make an HTML checkbox bigger. Now this could be done with CSS styling. We could do it right in line with the checkbox, or we could do it on another file or in the head section. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to do it in line with my checkbox, what I have set up here in my HTML file. So as you can see, I have a form and I have a name and a password and I have a checkbox here. And so in line with the checkbox, I'm going to go ahead and put a style. So the style is width, which I set to 50 pixels, and height, which I will also set to 50 pixels. Now if I want to make it even bigger, I'll set it to maybe 500 pixels or maybe 100 pixels. This is pretty much how you make a checkbox bigger or smaller with CSS. I'm Omar and I hope you found this video informative. Have a good day.